So what happens when a company eliminates the middleman when they sell their headphones? You get big discounts and great sound. What's up, my friends? It's Ray back here, and man, do I have a surprise for you guys today. Something that has been long awaited. A brand new set of headphones from Status Audio. That's right, the same company that brought you the incredible $50 HD ones is back, and I couldn't be more excited about it. Now, you guys have been asking for a really long time to see the brand new HD2s and OB1 headphones, and I'm happy to say that both of them have arrived, and we're gonna take a look at the brand new OB1s right here today. As a matter of fact, you'll see them right now. Just take a look at these things. They look absolutely stunning. As with the other Status Audio headphones, the OB1 have zero branding on them and focus purely on nothing but delivering sound directly to the consumer. However, unlike the HD1, these new OB1, you can tell right off the bat, have a little more class to them. This model is designed more for gaming and professional use. Think of the Audio-Technica M50X. These are catered to the same audience, but don't come with the cost. And you can tell just by looking at them, these are a hefty set of headphones that are going to sound as premium as they look. The ear cups are an over-the-ear design with 42mm drivers stuffed right in, and you can see all of the action on the inside thanks to the OB1's open back design. Now you're probably wondering, what in the world does open back mean? Well, I got you covered here. Basically, when your ears are covered with the headphones, the opposite side of the ear cups are open as well to release sound in order to create a more realistic listening experience. This is single-handedly what makes the OB1 so special. When you play a game, it's like you're right there, and when you listen to a live track, it's like you're right at the concert. I gotta say here, it is a very immersive listening experience. As you see with all professional headphones, Status Audio is no different here. They tune these headphones flat so there's no excessive bass or mids here, just natural sound as it's meant to be heard. Comfort is another area where these headphones excel. From the super soft and unique felt ear pads to the extra padding on the headband to the tremendous flexibility to loosen them up. I tested the OB1s wearing them for about an hour or so and experienced little to no discomfort. As you know, that is extremely hard to come by in a headphone nowadays. They have the same, if not better, sound quality, build quality, and comfort that is normally found in much more expensive headphones. The open back design makes these absolutely perfect for gaming and bringing the live audio experience right to your home. The only thing I really wish these headphones had was a detachable cable. The cable is extremely long, and in some cases, I really wish I could attach a shorter one to take them with me on the go. But I guess when you think about it, these were made in the studio for the studio. Overall, Status Audio hit the nail on the head once again here. It is truly difficult not to recommend the new OB1 headphones. If I had to give them a number, I'd give them a 9.5 out of a 10. At only $79, these are a steal of a deal. Alrighty guys, so that's about it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, be sure to leave a comment down in the comments box down below. Let me know what you think of the brand new Status Audio OB1 headphones. Do you like the design of these headphones? Have you tried them before? Do you like the sound quality? I would love to know your thoughts down in the comments box down below, and you can be featured at the end of one of my videos. Alrighty guys, so that's about it. I am going to go listen to things that I've never listened to before so I can feel like I'm at a concert or play a game and feel like I'm on the battlefield or fighting in Smash Brothers or something, because these are just too good. Alrighty guys, so until next time, I'll see you guys later. Peace.